is Davis, and I'm stupid.
Hi, I'm Joanne, and for as long as I can remember, I've been a stupid person.
I'm Skip, and my parents are both stupid. I'm stupid, and my grandson is stupid.
Nearly 1 in 5 U.S. adults live with a mental illness or learning disability.
And we are not that. Believe me, they checked.
And I'm just plain stupid.
I always knew I was different. Things that were obvious to everyone else were always very complicated for me.
Jokes have to be explained, movies have to be explained, foods have to be explained. Slowly.
I don't need this thing.
I just thought it sounded cool. I guess that's stupid.
Most people, like me, go their whole lives without ever knowing they're stupid. But we're everywhere. We drive your buses, we run companies.
I write laws.
And I don't even know what I do.
I found out I was stupid walking full speed into a glass window. A stained glass window.
Sarcasm just sounds like lies to me.
Being stupid is not a choice.
It's not a choice.
It's a choice.
Just because you are a stupid person doesn't mean you don't have a voice. So get out there
Get out there.
and vote.
And vote. Let your voice be heard.
Vote.
Vote.
I'm stupid, and I vote.
I vote, and I am very stupid.
Wait, this ain't my grandson.
Because my stupid vote counts as much as anybody else's.
And sometimes, way more. Like in my county.
So don't let them stop you.
Don't let them confuse you.
Somebody will say something, and then somebody will say something else. It's just too much.
You can vote. You can buy a gun.
They give you a sticker, and you can put it anywhere.
Wait, this is my grandson.
For public art and gestures of inclusion, and we will build from there until we flip the seats in Congress, until we take back the Senate right here in this very state.